Good day, everyone. This is Jesha. On behalf of Travel and Tours, we welcome you all to South America. Before we start, South America is a continent entirely in the Western Hemisphere and mostly in the Southern Hemisphere, with a relatively small portion in the Northern Hemisphere. Welcome to South America. 12 countries located in South America, including Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Uruguay, and Venezuela. The two territories in South America include the Falkland Islands or UK and French Guiana. The longest cities in South America include Sao Paulo, Buenos Aires, Rio de Janeiro, Bogota, Lima, Santiago, Caracas, Medellin, Belo Horizonte, and Cali. Because South America is shaped like a triangle, it has the least amount of coastline than any continent despite its large land area. South America has an area of 17,840,000 square kilometers. Its population as of 2018 has been estimated at more than 423 million. South America ranks fourth in area after Asia, Africa, and North America, and fifth in population after Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. Brazil is far the most populous South American country, with more than half of the continent's population, followed by Colombia, Argentina, Venezuela, and Peru. In recent decades, Brazil has also generated half of the continent's GDP and has become the continent's first region. Most of the population lives near the continent's western or eastern coast, while the interior and the far south are sparsely populated. The geography of western South America is dominated by the Andes Mountains. In contrast, the eastern part contains both highland regions and vast lowlands where the rivers such as the Amazon, Orinoco, San Francisco, and Paraná flow. Most of the continent lies in the tropics, except for the large part of the southern cone located in the middle. The continent's cultural and ethnic outlook has its origin with the interaction of indigenous peoples with European conquerors and immigrants, and more locally with African slaves. Given a long history of colonialism, the overwhelming majority of South Americans speak Portuguese or Spanish, and societies in the states reflect Western traditions related to Europe, Asia, and Africa. 20th century South America has been a peaceful continent with few wars. South America's major mineral resources are gold, silver, copper, iron ore, tin, and petroleum. These resources found in South America have brought high income to its countries, especially in times of war or of rapid economic growth by industrialized countries elsewhere. However, the concentration in producing one major export commodity often has hindered the development of diversified economies. The fluctuation in the price of commodities in the international markets has led historical to major highs and lows in the economies of South American states, often causing extreme political instability. This is leading to efforts to diversity production to drive away from staying as economies dedicated to one major export. Geographically, South America also includes some of the nearby islands, the Dutch ABC Islands, which is Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, the islands of Trinidad and Tobago, Trinidad Island and Tobago Island, the state of Nueva Esparta, and the federal dependencies of Venezuela sit on the northern portion of the South American continental shelf and are sometimes considered parts of the continent. Geopolitically, all the island countries and territories in the Caribbean have generally been grouped as a sub-region of North America instead. By contrast, Aves Island, administered by Venezuela, and the archipelago of San Andres, Providencia, and Santa Catalina, Andres Island, Providencia Island, and Santa Catalina Island, which are administered by Colombia, are politically parts of South American countries but geographically parts of North. Other islands often associated with South America are the Chile archipelago, Robinson's Crusoe Island, both administered by Chile. Easter Island, generally considered as part of the Oceania, also administered by Chile. The Galapagos Island, administered by Ecuador, and the Tierra del Fuego split between Argentina and Chile. In the Atlantic Ocean, Brazil administers Fernando de Noronha, Trinidad and Martin Vaz, and the St. Peter and St. Paul archipelago, while the Falkland Islands, Spanish Islas Malvinas, and South Georgia and the South Sandwich Islands, biographically and hydrologically associated with Antarctica, have been administered as two British overseas territories under the Crown, whose sovereignty over the islands is disputed by Argentina. An isolated volcanic island in the South American plate, Ascension Island is geologically a part of South America. Administered as dependency of St. Helena, Ascension, and Tristan da Cunha, the island is geopolitically a part of Africa. An uninhabited sub-Antarctic volcanic island located in the South Atlantic Ocean, Bouvet Island, administered by Norway, is geographically, geologically, biographically, and hydrologically associated with Antarctica, but the United Nations GEOS scheme has included the territory in South America list. Again, we welcome you all to South America. Welcome to Amazon rainforest, covering much of the northwestern Brazil and extending into Colombia, Peru, and other South American countries, is the world's largest tropical rainforest, famed for its biodiversity. The Amazon is thought to have 2.5 million species of insects. The Amazon River carries 55 billion gallons of fresh water into the Atlantic Ocean. The Amazon is the most biodiverse terrestrial place on the planet. This amazing rainforest is home to more species of birds, plants, and mammals than anywhere else in the world. Around 30% of the world's species and 10% of the world's biodiversity can be found there. The Amazon is an incredibly unique place. It is the world's largest rainforest and river system, and the most biologically diverse place on Earth. For the next destination, we welcome you all to Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in both South America and Latin America. Ecuador is a country of straddling the equator on the South America's west coast. Ecuador is named after the equator, the imaginary line circling the middle of the earth. Orchids are one of the largest flowering plant families on earth. Welcome to Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert is a desert plateau in South America, covering a 1,600 kilometer strip of land on the Pacific coast west of the Andes Mountains. Best places to see the galaxy above. Welcome to Angel Falls. It's a waterfall in Venezuela. It is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall with a height of 970 that's for today. Again, thank you my dear tourists. I hope you enjoy our tour here in South America. And I hope that this experience will be memorable to all of you. Again, thank you and mabuhay!